What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be working on my 2013 Expedition. I know it's been a while, but today's the day. Let's do it. Okay, you guys, so I came a little bit late. I'm already started. He was pulling the frame out of the truck. As you can see, all the damage. I pulled the studs, it's time to put some stuff out of it. Take the glass. In the back, pull some of this stuff out. We were gonna replace the quarter panel, but like I mentioned in the first video, this is gonna be a budget build. I don't really care about it. I'm mostly gonna be using it for pulling cars out of COPART. So it's not gonna be my main vehicle. So it's something that I can use to bring cars and bring them to the shop. So, fine. Alright, guys, so here's the scoop. While Jaime was working on the truck, this screws came off right here. Something broke over here, so he had to stop, remove the screws and re-weld it. So that's where we're at right now. We're fixing it. We can keep pulling on the truck. So I know it's crazy how we broke the frame machine. What's going on, you guys? I just want to give a big shout out to my boy Randy from Actually for sending me these awesome scanners. I was the winner of the contest last week. Again, this is gonna come out really handy for me. Randy, thanks a lot, my boy. If you don't know Randy, give him a follow. I'll put a link in the description, so give him a follow. Thanks, Randy. You're awesome. Alright, guys, so that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe so that I can bring more content your way. So today, that is it. The next thing we gotta do now is to get into this bunch of bacon wrap hot dogs right here. Bacon, but that's for me, not for you. So see you guys on the next one. Peace.